Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share and subscribe for latest videos. We are in the series of question of the day, which is for CSIR NET, GATE Mathematics, IIT JAM, GATE Engineering. So we are on the topic of linear algebra, and here is the question number 7. For the matrix, it's a matrix 2 cross 2, that is 4 1 1 4. The eigenvalues are, this question comes in GATE 2003, and options are 3 and minus 3, minus 5 and minus 3, 5 and 3 and 5, 5 and 0. So let assume this matrix is equal to A 4 1 1 4, and you know very well characteristic equation, that is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. So here is the determinant 4 minus lambda 1 1 4 minus lambda equal to 0. While we are solving this, so 4 minus lambda ka square minus 1, or here is 4 minus lambda ka square minus 1 ka square. So this is a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b. Here is the formula 5 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda equal to 0, which means lambda equal to 3 and lambda equal to 5. So the eigenvalues are lambda equal to 3 and lambda equal to 5, which is in the option number C, which is very correct. Now the question for practice is, what is the rank of this matrix? This is the 3 cross 3 matrix 4 2 3 1 0 0 4 0 3. So here the options are 0 1 2 3, and now we assume this matrix, let this matrix equal to A, and maximum possible rank of this matrix is 3, because it's a matrix having minus 3 cross 3, 3 by 3 minus. So let we solve determinant of this matrix, that is 4 2 3 1 0 0 4 0 3. We are getting minus 6, which is not equal to 0. So here easily we can say the rank of this matrix A is 3, which is option number D, which is very correct. So thank you very much for liking my videos, liking, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you very much and being with me in this scientific journey. Thank you.